When it comes to artificial intelligence, most people think of Google or OpenAI. But there's another company that's quietly revolutionizing industries around the world. Meet C3.ai, the enterprise AI company that's powering the future of business. Founded in 2009 by legendary entrepreneur Tom Siebel, C3.ai has been a leader in bringing artificial intelligence to the enterprise level. With a focus on AI, machine learning, and IoT, C3.ai helps companies across industries, from energy to healthcare, leverage data for smarter decision-making. C3.ai offers a comprehensive AI software platform that enables organizations to rapidly develop, deploy, and scale enterprise AI applications. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, detecting fraud, or predicting equipment failures, C3.ai is transforming how businesses operate. Interview with Tom Siebel, C3.ai CEO. Our vision at C3.ai is to harness the power of AI and big data to solve the world's most complex problems. We're enabling industries to achieve levels of efficiency and innovation that were previously unimaginable. C3.ai stands out because it focuses on enterprise AI. While many companies develop consumer-facing AI technologies, C3.ai creates tailored AI solutions for large-scale industries. With the integration of AI, machine learning, and IoT on a single platform, C3.ai helps businesses analyze massive amounts of data in real time, predict outcomes, and act proactively. Testimonial from a business leader. C3.ai has transformed the way we manage our operations. Their AI solutions have enabled us to predict issues before they occur and optimize our processes, saving us millions. C3.ai generates revenue primarily through subscription fees for access to their AI software platform. Businesses pay for tools that allow them to build and deploy AI applications tailored to their needs. They also offer industry-specific AI applications, like predictive maintenance and energy management, that businesses can license. Partnerships with cloud providers and professional services further contribute to their revenue stream. So, while the world focuses on the tech giants, keep an eye on C3.ai, because they're quietly leading the AI revolution in industries all around the globe. Subscribe for more stories about the tech shaping our future.